G'day guys, just on my way back down to the shed. Just got myself a bit of a brew and just a bit of a chat this Harvey. I haven't been able to get into doing a heap of shed stuff. I've been working full time at the moment, so I haven't really had a chance to get right into it. It's Friday Ave, so hopefully the weather stays good for us. It looks pretty good so far. Here in sunny Queensland, we'll get into the shed and we'll get into a few little projects, and probably more of an update than anything, just so you guys know what's coming up in the near future. There's plenty of ideas, plenty of projects, so I will just keep doing stuff. So anyways, let's get into the shed, eh? So you guys have probably seen part of my shed in some of the videos. There's some of the golf buggy parts. If you haven't sort of seen that, you know, just click up there somewhere, and should come up. Anyway, so click on that. Here's the golf buggy so far. I've done a few little things since the last video. It's going to be a couple of weeks until this one comes out. I've got to put that roof on it. This roof here, and that back, that's the back plastic cover. Just got to make sure it's going to be okay. And I just put these huge racks up to try and store some of the stuff I got here, because everything seems to turn into a project. Like, there's an old ride-on mower that was working okay. It's a project in the future. You see my old pallet jack, which has become forks for my tractor. Here's a little beast. Was a little old quad. I've just put a little 4-horse on it with a torque converter. There's a few others like that coming. You can see part of the digger hidden away in the back here, in the darkness. There it is in all its glory. Pretty exciting. And shelves full of stuff. Yeah, it's a bit of a basic sort of a shop tour. There's all my garden power tools, plenty of chainsaws, plenty of whip snippers, brush cutters, that kind of stuff. All my lifting equipment and my saws. There's a 10-inch slide compound which folds up. It's just on hinges there. It folds up, and the steel's in the way, which is for another project. And there's my just abrasive 14-inch drop saw. It folds up as well onto a platform, and they're both at the same height once they're level, so I can put a longer piece of timber on it, or longer piece of steel, whatever I need to do. So yeah, back to the shed. I got a few storage containers of bolts and bits and things, and there's my old lathe. Sort of hiding away over here. You've probably seen a video on that. If not, it'll be down in the description, sort of down below there. And my little workbench area where I keep all my tools hanging, and power tools. So there's always plenty going on. Actually, I've got to do a few jobs. In the past, you've seen me do some work for AMC Restorations Australia. Well, here's some more work I've got to do for them. I actually rebush these door hinges. These are door hinges off not sure if it's off a Javelin or a Matador or a little Gremlin, or I've done heaps of all of those. So I actually make little bushes. Let's see if I've got any. Here's some I've made in the past. Some have worked, some haven't. There's just trials of different types of bushes. All on the old lathe, the little old lathe. Made all those. So one day I might do a video on that. So yeah, I'm always doing a little bit of work for people's around locally. There's a couple of transmission linkages. Like this one here is the original factory one. And right next to it is the one I've made. And right down to every angle, the clevis pin, the thread, everything is identical. So I've got an order for a bunch of those. That's for our friends Gary at AMC Restorations. So I thank him for his work every time. He's very good, very good. There's my welder trolley, the one that I did a video a while ago with the training wheels on the side, just to give us some stability. So when I drag it outside, like, I've got plenty of cable. Gonna show you guys part of the property. See that dam all the way down there? It's really hard to see. Oh, once you get past that junk, you'll see it. Hang on, I'll just warp myself over there. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, halfway. I didn't try hard enough. Oh, well, we're down sort of where the cabin is, so just give me a minute and I'll warp myself down there a bit further. Hang on, here we go. Oh, here I am. That saved a bit of walking. Here's the old bench seat, right down on the dam. How clear is that? Nice little spot. Oh, there's my boat. So I'll sort of sit here and ponder around a little bit, collect my thoughts, come up with any wild ideas. So it's a very nice, calming sort of a spot. You can sort of see the trees moving in the background there. There's a bit of wind up in the sky. Like, I mean, high level. It's not windy down here. You can sort of see my house in the background there. Don't want to point it too far, the sun's there. Time for a walk. Oh, did I tell you that I got a few mango trees? Here's some mango flowers. Well, they sort of don't look like flowers, but that's what comes on a mango tree. All those little round bally things become fruit. Well, some of them do. So bought this property with all these mango trees on it. I didn't plant them, so just here lucky enough to reap the reward, you could say. So they're all planted like 20 years ago, so at different stages, I guess. So we've just got to prune these once a year if we want them to bear really good fruit. We haven't done it this season. Yeah, but I made it. I'm still alive. I couldn't warp up that time, didn't have enough energy. So there's some of my junkyard going to eventually be a project of some kind. Oh, the little tipper trailer right there, you've seen that one. So anyways, back to the shed. To the shed. Ta-da! So there's a bit of a tour of a little walk down the hill and back. You went past the cabin and back to the shed, and there's plenty of room for projects and toys and, you know, things of that nature. Things you have a bit of fun with. So I just haven't got around to doing any full-time projects because of work. Gotten a bit busy, but I will be getting another one out next week. So just hang in there. Lots of unusual type projects. Workshop, planning on doing a go-kart real soon. Nothing exciting. Well, yeah, it'll be exciting because it's going to be fun. But anyway, we're going to do a few. Just hang in there, and we'll get to them. If there's anything that you guys sort of want me to build or make, I've got a few workshop equipment type builds coming up really soon. So, which really assist making like buggies or go-karts or any of these other fun type projects, and sometimes good for customers that I do work for. Guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks for hanging around. I'll be getting back in a normal video schedule again. Should be out again next Friday with some more action type stuff. But if you like the channel, like to see some of the things that I'm planning to build in the future, just subscribe so you don't miss them, and click that little bell, and give us a thumbs up down the bottom there. That'd be really good to see. So we'll catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye. possum. And can you see the little baby? There's a little baby in there. Oh, hello, mummy. Hello.